shout out to my good friend John, who helped me turn my vision for this hyped cinematic intro into a reality. Let's pop open the deluxe edition and get access to all the good stuff. We got the mini soundtrack CD, the game, the Steelbook, and the Artbook. First up, the Steelbook. Looking really nice. Really cool finishes. Love the Buster Sword in the back. Inside we seem to have some kind of hieroglyphics. Won't spoil where that's from. Let's get into the game. And it's looking like my Buster Sword is not very sharp. So I'm going to have to equip a different weapon here. There we go. PS5 box art. Back. Inside we have the 2 discs, the install disc and the play disc. Then we got little pamphlets here to pre-order the soundtrack. Ever Crisis, a few figure advertisements. We pop out the disc. You can see that the box art also has a reversible cover that you can use that's all black. It's kind of a cool option. Onto the mini soundtrack CD. We have a track list, which is just a kind of a sampler of the main soundtrack. Inside we have the CD, which has a pretty cool illustration of Cloud. Now let's get into this art book. Heads up that this most likely contains spoilers for the game, so if you wish to avoid them, use the chapter select to skip to the next section. We're just going to go through the pages at a quick pace, and you can pause the video if you want to enjoy the beautiful art on display in this book. I simply had no choice but to use the Buster Sword on this one. First up are a list of the parts and the instructions on assembling the statue. We have the smaller half of the angel wing, then the larger half. Very nice detail work here. They even painted in some of the lighting from the flames onto the feathers themselves. And we have Sephiroth's head and his shampooed and conditioned hair. A little tool that almost looks like a guitar pick. And this is a tool you're going to need later, so don't lose it. And here we have the body of Sephiroth with some attachment points on the feet. Yeah, this is really cool detail work, although it looks a little creepy without the head right now. Then we have the base, which is actually pretty hefty. The bottom is translucent, which is cool because you can probably add your own lighting to it. Seems like resin flames. Starting the assembly process, we're going to attach the two wings together. You're going to want to insert them and push. You can use some force, but not bend. Then we're going to bring the body and bring the feet into the base, and you're going to pry the feet open a little bit to make sure they can fit the holes properly, and then push it in until it clicks down. Then you're going to use that pick tool to pop out a piece of his back, and then you're going to push in the full wing. And again, you're going to push in with some force, but you don't want to bend, so just push straight in. And then for the head, same thing, you're going to rock back and forth a little bit and then push it to click in. Here we have Sephiroth's Masamune, the final piece. Really nice detail work here. Now on the grip of the sword, we have the little bottom piece that slides right out. Don't lose it, but we're going to need to remove that in order to fit it right into his hand. And again, be a little gentle here. Enough pushing force, but avoid bending force, and it should slide right in. Then you reattach the bottom part of the grip. And it looks menacing. Now that I barely fit him into my display case, you're going to get a little teaser of my next gaming setup that's currently a work in progress. The Gaming Theater. What did you guys think about the Collector's Edition? What about the game? You guys loving it so far? I know I am. Let me know in the comments below. If you liked the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. And if you want to check out my current modern gaming setup, check out this video here.